let me start the day. So we have, so Mumbai March is launching a newsletter today, and I have Hitendra ji with me, who will be uh, launching this. So let me give a short introduction about him. He's a great person, and he's taken this initiative to help us to launch this. So he's a volunteer with the United Nations Volunteer Program. He's a chief strategist for the KFW India. He is the honorary vice president of Kuch Karo Foundation, honorary joint secretary of Our Student Association, Borivali, SEO with Government of Maharashtra, former CEO of FSO Technologies, and many more achievements. It's a long list, and he does a lot of work in social activities environment. I'll introduce him right now. Hitendra ji, over to you.
Good to go?
Yeah, you can start your video. Just a sec.
Hello, everyone.
Yes.
That was a long introduction of mine. The short introduction is I am a Mumbai marcher. Good morning, everybody. Wish you all a very happy Independence Day. 15th August 2021 is special for two reasons. First reason being, India is celebrating 75th Independence Day. India is marking a Platinum Jubilee Independence Day celebration. And the second reason being, any guesses? I'll make it easier for you. The second reason why 15th August 2021 is special, it is because Mumbai March is launching a historic bi-weekly newsletter. Is that exciting?
Wow, awesome.
Wow, absolutely, yes.
Now, let me give you a brief background behind the creation of this newsletter. Well, during the past 17 months, India has been severely impacted by COVID pandemic. There had been lockdowns, restrictions on the movement, and the gatherings were banned. This was severely impacting the movement of Mumbai March. Mumbai March was losing the visibility index. As you all know, Mumbai March is a public movement, and the characteristics of a public movement is a lot of people hit the road. They walk a mile, they spread awareness, they interact with the ground realities. There are banners, there are posters, there are slogans, there are speeches, and all this activity is captured by newspaper. It is also uploaded on various social media platforms. It gives a lot of visibility. And what does this visibility do? Visibility creates a pressure on the concerned department to act upon the causes which Mumbai March has taken up. It makes the leadership take cognizance of the issue which we are highlighting, and they in turn direct the concerned authorities to act upon the highlighted causes. This is one of the reasons we are launching this newsletter. We were missing on the physical visibility of movement. We thought of compensating this loss of physical visibility by creating a virtual visibility. Hence, we thought of creating a newsletter which will create a virtual visibility. Now, let me tell you something more about this. While making this newsletter, I had depicted Gopalji's photo on the front cover of newsletter. Gopalji was of the opinion that this is a public movement, hence there should not be any photo. I had to convince him that since this is a public movement, it cannot be headless. We convinced him, and very what you call, hesitatingly, he agreed upon it. And we have put his photo with a caption that he is the founder of Mumbai March, and we are all supporting Mumbai March, Mumbaikars. This is the greatness of Gopalji. I would like to salute on that. And the second greatness which I would like to recount is, I had insisted Gopalji to unveil this historic newsletter. But again, as humble he is, he said, no, the originator of the idea should be doing the honors of unveiling this newsletter. So again, a big salute to Gopalji. We have got the right leader with us, and we will go very far. Now, the D moment of the day will be unveiling the Mumbai March historic newsletter. So guys, are you all ready?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
I'm ready with my copy. I request all you to keep the front cover. Miss, I can't see anyone here. Miss holding the copies. Can you please put everyone on? So all are holding this. Okay. With a count of 3, I'll be unveiling this my copy, and simultaneously I request you to unveil your copy as well. Are you ready, guys?
Yes.
Yeah. So here we go. 3, 2,
1. Wow.
So here is the first page. Oh, sorry. Here is the first page of Mumbai March newsletter, a historic newsletter.
Yes.
Now
Great,
I will
great milestone.
slowly I will carry you through all the pages one by one. It will just create a curiosity amongst all who are watching this. Here goes the first page. Then it is second. Then it is third, fourth, 5, 6,
Wow, so many pages.
so many pages, and here are the beautiful with pictures of all the movements and all that. Here are the pictures of the sponsors, supporters. Thank you very much, all the supporters. Here are the sponsors. Again, a big thank you to all of them. And this is the advertisement page. Again, big thank you to the advertisers.
Yes.
I will give you a brief background. Again, little bit. This will be a bi-weekly newsletter. It will be in a soft version. It will be uploaded on various social media platforms and the official website of Mumbai March. We are expecting to create visibility out of this newsletter. I request all the Mumbai Marchers to circulate this again on their timeline. This will create a multiplier effect. And this multiplier effect will help us to gain more volunteers, which will strengthen the broad base of Mumbai March. This is the another concept behind it. So I hope that everyone would be circulating again and creating a multiplier effect in this. I thank Gopalji for giving me this opportunity to unveil this historic newsletter. I also thank all the creative team members, Gopalji, Avinashji, Santaji, Rajji, Adityaji, Punitji, for chipping in and putting this newsletter in place. There are many more events lined up. Stay tuned in. Thank you very much. Jai Hind. Over to Avinash.
Thank you, thank you. So, Shantaji, if you could share some few words.
Yeah, good afternoon, friends. What a red letter day in our movement. Mumbai March movement is a very big red letter day that finally we are also coming out with this publication. It's a bi-weekly. It's a very proud moment for all of us. And, you know, many of our past campaigns, our future, past crusades, future campaigns, our achievements, generally we have been doing a lot for past decade, but the visibility was not there so much. Now with all our achievements and all our past achievements and all our campaigns and efforts, if we can crystallize it and people see it in print, it will have much more impact. And I'm sure many people will feel motivated and inspired and join us. As it is, our movement has caused a lot of inspiration. Many new groups have formed. They said we have taken a lot of inspiration from Mumbai March for the amount of work that you all have been doing for the past decade. But for the past 6 years, you know, the River March movement has gained a lot of visibility in the media and in the social media also. So it's a very big event, and I'm very happy to be part of the team. And I would like to do my bit and contribute as always till the very end. Thank you very much for this opportunity, and a fantastic team that we have, each one as brilliant as the other. And Hitendra ji, though, is like the Arjuna of the team. The concept, the designing of the logo, and the crystallization of all this, thanks to Hitendra ji. You have done a fantastic job. And of course, Gopal ji, we are all here because of him. If it wasn't for him, none of us would have been here. So thanks a lot to Gopal ji, Hitendra ji, Avinash, Pushparaj, Aditya, and each and every person, Puneet, who all have contributed. And you know, that this day has come that we are seeing such a beautiful publication. And I'm sure we'll all contribute a lot of inputs for this to make it much more success. And each of us will share it in our social media so that it reaches more and more people. Thank you very much.
Thank you.